Welcome back to my channel. I am Yasmin Sheree, photographer, blogger, creator, and yogi. And today I am doing a DIY corner desk. So pretty much my craft room sucks. There's nowhere for me to do any type of work. And I didn't really want to spend the real money that I want for my dream desk, but I had some extra supplies, some shelving, and I figured I'd go ahead and why not just make my own, and I can make it the size that I want it. And yeah, so I had 3 shelves around the house. 2 were up. This one that's cut in half was just waiting to be used, so that one was not being used yet. But basically these are 3 6 feet long espresso and color shelves. They're almost 12 inches wide. They're 11.8 inches wide. And I used 2 packs of 2-inch by 1/2 inch wide mending braces. That's what that is right here. So this is the seam of the shelf, and to keep those 2 together to get the width that I wanted, I used braces. So I used a total of 8 braces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 down there. I'm going to use a corner bracket. It is this lovely thing right here. It is going to go here in this corner just for some added support. I bought a 10-pack of these pipe straps. They do not come with the screws attached. I just put those in there for the test run of this. So I'm using 8 of those. 1 of these fitting. I'm not really sure what that one's called. I used 6 of the 90-degree elbows, 6 of the T's, and 4, I'm calling these 3-legged fittings right here. So I have 2 and then the 3rd on top. So 4 of those. So this is what it looks like upside down. So I haven't turned it over yet. And again, I haven't attached it to the actual top part yet because I need to move it into the actual room first. So